So now with temperatures getting up higher, it's time to start thinking about weed control. And what I want to do today is go through my yard, take a walk around, see what's going on. I know that I already have a couple of weeds popping up and I want to go ahead and spot spray those. But before I do that, I want to mow. So we'll go ahead and mow and get started and start attacking these weeds. Let's go. Okay, so I went ahead and just finished mowing the backyard because the clouds were getting really dark and I could hear thunder and I was starting to feel raindrops, so I wanted to go ahead and get that done super fast. And the yard looks great, looks really good, nice green color. It just started raining though, so that's gonna kind of kill my plan to spray the weeds in the grass. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and show you what I'm gonna use, how I'm gonna apply it, and then I'll go ahead and give you some footage of me applying it in the next day or so once the rain has stopped and it's cleared up. So let's go ahead and talk about these products. So these are my primary go-tos for weed control. These do mix up with water. They are the concentrate. So I like to do that because when you buy stuff in the bottle that's ready to go, that's ready to spray, most of what you're paying for is water. And so I'm not really a fan of that. I like to buy these concentrated bottles, mix them up myself. They last a lot longer. Majority of the time when I do this spot treatment, I'll use this one. This is Bio Advanced. I believe this is like a Bayer replicate. This active ingredient here is 2,4-D and isoxabin. This targets dandelions and other broadleaf weeds. I've had pretty good luck with this one. What I want to do for the most part on this application for this treatment are these two right here, these ortho products. And the reason why is because I'm targeting dandelions, but I also have a couple of patches of crabgrass that I've inherited from neighbors after the fence has gone up on both sides. And so I want to target crabgrass, and this has quinclorac in it, and that's what targets crabgrass, is that quinclorac. So I'm going to be targeting the dandelions and the crabgrass and the other broadleaf weeds. And then this one here is for the clover. I do have some clover in my backyard. There's a patch that I can't seem to get rid of, so I'm going to be hitting it pretty hard this year with this ortho product. The main ingredient in this one is triclopyr, and that's going to help us with the clover. So I have used this in the past, not as heavy as I'm going to be this time. I want to see if I can eradicate that clover pretty good. So again, these are the products I'm going to be using. I have had success with these in the past. That's why I'm showing you these today. And what I'll do is I'll mix these up in a pump sprayer, probably with about a gallon's worth total of water. I don't have that many weeds, so probably a gallon will be good. And we'll go from there. All right, so it's been a few days. I've just been waiting really for the rain and the wind to just go away. We've seen a lot of rain, and when it hasn't been rainy, it's been really windy. And it's kind of hard to spot spray these weeds when it's windy. So we have better conditions today. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix up this ortho product, and we're gonna go after my crabgrass and mainly dandelions. So with that, let's get to it. All right, so today I'm gonna be using my Chapin pump sprayer. This is the Pro Series. It's a 2-gallon pump sprayer. I'll leave a link in the description for that. It's a great sprayer, works really, really nice for small spot spraying projects like this one. Blanket applications, yes, for smaller yards, but for bigger yards like mine, I wouldn't recommend. It's just too small. Again, we're gonna be using the Ortho Weed Be Gone crabgrass control and dandelion control product here. 2.5 ounces of product per gallon of water. I'm only gonna mix up a gallon here because we're just doing spot spraying and I don't have a whole lot that we're gonna spray today. I'm gonna add a little bit of surfactant here just to make sure that this product is sticking and we're getting a good application. So with that, let's go ahead and mix this up and get spraying. All right, that's gonna go ahead and do it for this one. Spraying weeds is something that, as long as you keep up on it, it makes a big difference. Keeps things looking nice and clean in the yard, keeps those weeds out, keeps them under control. Another thing too, a little bit of a tip is, if you have polarized sunglasses, I find it a lot easier to see and spot things in the grass. So polarized sunglasses, good thing to have. Also use that fan tip on the nozzle of the sprayer. You'll get a nice even spray and it comes out really, really nice. So with that, hope that was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.